Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you book back answers in English for 6th standard. That is the term 1, unit 3, poem I Dream of Spices. So this will be added in your half-yearly exam, children. So both from the term 1 and term 2 you will get for your half-yearly exam. So from the term 1, poem and supplementary will be given for your half-yearly. So now I'm going to give you poem I Dream of Spices. First, I'll give you the meanings. So meanings here. So take down in your classwork, children, and those who have the book, you can learn in the book also. This first, cinnamon, the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. The next, garlic, a small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Then rattle off, recite, sesame seeds, gingery seeds. Then ouch, sound that expresses pain. Okay, children. Then Roman number 2, that is A. Okay. Next is page number 148. A is given. Let us answer the following. So first question, who is Raj? So the answer is, Raj is a little boy. Raj is a little boy. And second, where did Raj's mother send him? So the answer is, Raj's mother sent him to shop. Okay, children. Then the third question is, who is Muthu? So what will be the answer? Muthu is the owner of a shop. Muthu is the owner of a shop. Okay, children. Then fourth one is, what did mother ask Raj to buy? What did mother ask Raj to buy? Answer. So what did he want to buy? His mother asked him to buy. His mother asked him to buy what? Some cinnamon some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. Then next is, what did Raj buy? What did Raj buy? So what did he buy, children? So what did Raj buy? So answer is, Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Okay, children. Next we will see choose the correct answers. It is B. Same page. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So that in the book itself you can mark, children. Mother called dash A Muthu, B Raj and C Ram. So answer is B Raj. Okay. Second, mother did not ask for dash cinnamon, then B cardamom, C betel leaves. That is B cardamom. Then 3, Raj did not buy dash A onions and sesame, B ginger and garlic, C tomato and pickles. So B, all the 3, B only is the answer, children. Ginger and garlic. Okay, children. Now with this we finish this poem. Next we will go to the supplementary, children. Okay. So we are finishing this poem, that is meanings I gave, choose and question answers. In the same term 1 portion you have prose also. I mean supplementary. So next we will go to the supplementary now. So in the term 1 both you have, that is poem and supplementary. Okay, in the unit 3. Next we will go to the supplementary, that is what is the lesson we saw in the supplementary? Spices of India. Okay, supplementary. What is the lesson? Spices of India. Okay, children. Now in this lesson, see, that is question answers and choose is there. First we will see the B, children. That is page number 153. Okay, choose the correct answer. Choose the best option. That is B, children. Best option. So first one, people say curry comes from a Tamil word curry which means dash. A soup, B sauce and C sambar. So B is sauce. Curry comes from the word sauce. Okay. Then pepper is also known as dash, liquid gold, B black gold and C white gold. So what is the answer, children? Yes, B black gold. Then third one, dash wrote about cinnamon in 2700 BC, Chinese, Indians and Japanese. So answer is A, Chinese. Okay. Then fourth, the Greeks, Romans and Egyptians all bought cinnamon from dash, Japan, South Africa and India. South America, children. B, South America. Okay. Now we'll move to the question answers now. That is part A. Answer the following questions. Answer the following. Okay, children. So from the term 1 you have poem and supplementary. Poem is I dream of spices. Choose meanings and that is question answers are there. And in supplementary, choose I give. Now we'll move on to the question answers. Okay, children. So first question is, why do we add spices to food? Why do we add spices to food? Okay, children. Answer. We add spices to food to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy Okay, children, this is the first answer. Second, which spices are used a lot in the Indian food? Which spices are used a lot in Indian food? Children, answer. It is spices used a lot in Indian food are spices used a lot in Indian food are cumin, mustard, siragam, that is mustard, pepper, melagu we say, cloves, longam, then fennel, sombu, cinnamon and turmeric, manjal. Next. Which part of a plant are collected as spices? Which parts of a plant are collected as spices? So the answer is flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs. So from where, children? Flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs. Okay. Now next is what are the uses of spices? What are the uses of spices? So the answer is the spices give the dish a special savory taste. That is delicious taste. It makes us want to eat more. Okay, children. Next, last question is, I think you are taking down in your notebooks, children. So the last, fifth one. What happened after Columbus discovered America. So the answer is, he got chilly after Columbus discovered America. So what happened after Columbus discovered America? He got chilly after Columbus discovered America. Okay, children? Columbus discovered America. So with this we finish. So both children, that is, we have finished from the term 1 poem I Dream of Spices, of meanings, choose and question answers I gave, and even the supplementary also we have finished from the term 1 choose and question answers we finished. So from the term 1 you will get from these two, that is from the poem and the supplementary. Okay, so term 1 from this you will get, and in the term 2 the prose. Okay, so these 3 you will get for your half yearly exam. You have to learn, children. Take down neatly in your notebook without making any mistakes, so it will be easy for you to understand, children. So write in your notebook and learn. Okay, the exams are nearing for you, so learn for your half yearly exam. Okay, children, thank you.